Shall we write the letter O? We will learn today with black, orange, and pink colored pencil.
How?
Let's write the letters in the direction of the arrow. Uppercase O. Lowercase o. Let's write with an orange colored pencil. Uppercase O. Lowercase o. Let's write the letter O with a pink pencil. Uppercase O. Lowercase o. Good job! What do you see? It's an ostrich. Ostrich is good at running. O is for ostrich. Let's find the letter O and color it with a pink pencil. Good job! The colored shape resembles the letter O. What do you see? It's the letter O, folded out of colored paper. Learn how to fold the letter O using red paper.
How?
Fold the colored paper in half. Fold twice more from the center.
The farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
Let's fold the other side the same way.
The wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child.
Let's fold the end into a line.
The child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
This time, let's fold the end in two lines.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow
Flip the
takes
paper
dog.
over.
The cow takes
Fold
the
the
dog.
ends.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog
Oh,
takes the
good
cat.
job.
The dog takes the cat.
Crayons
Hi-ho,
1,
the dairy-o, the dog
2,
takes the cat.
3,
Cat takes the mouse.
4,
The cat takes the mouse.
5,
Hi-ho, the
6,
dairy-o, the cat
7,
takes the mouse.
8, 9, 10. Let's make the letter O shape with 10 crayons.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the
Uppercase
cheese stands
O.
alone.
Lowercase o. Let's write letters. Uppercase O. Lowercase o. Great job!